Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the wallpaper section, so simply we have to enter it. And as you can see here, we've got actually two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. The first one is the Google Photos, which is actually your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device, so let me tap on it. And of course, if you've changed your mind, you do not have to go back to previous menu, just tap on My Photos and you will be transferred to the gallery. And as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers from which we could choose. So if you'd like to check it, if you'd like to see it on the full screen, just tap on it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear here. So all you have to do is to simply pick the wallpaper you'd like to set and tap on Set Wallpaper in the left upper corner. And as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.